Na-report ko na.
Tagal naman dumating na helper na to. Sakal-sakay ko to.
Admin tinawag ko, admin.
Ayun na, si Nix.
Ayun na yung tinawag ko.
Wake up, sir. Wake up, wake up, wake up, wake up.
Sir, wake up, sir.
Sir, pullover, sir.
Full over gag. Police pina-pull over.
Oh my god, to helper. Sir, wake up.
Sir, wake up, wake up, wake up, wake up. Hindi ko diha.
Tawagan ko to.
Tawagan mo nga.
Bigyan lang salary na.
No, di ako nag-violation, tinuntok ko.
Banhing, banhing.
Nag-EFP grind to.
Hindi ko matawagan. Hindi ko friend eh. Hindi man ako accept niyan eh. Kasi naman tulog eh. Wag to nga, wag.
Eh, no.
I just checking if he's lagging. If he's lagging. Or bad.
Presentation. He is still... Oh my god, may armor.
Mamatay na ako. Putang ina mo. Wake up, sir. Wake up. Not yet, sir.
Ma'am or sir?
Ang record.
Paano ma-message yan?
Slash
Slash N.
Plus N na. N.
Slash N lang. Okay.
Oh, sino? Sino magre-record?
Wala akong record, kayo na lang.
Record nyo na.
Ako na.
Sige, ko na. Dito ka sa harap para ano.
Sure. Sure.
Wala, na-mute. Pwede pala mag-mute yung helper.
Sir, wake up, sir. Sir.
Green.
Sir, wake up, sir.
Green yun against player.
Sir, are you there? Are you?
Tara, iwanan natin yan.
Wait, I'm still recording. Wait until 5 minutes.
Ano yung green ticket?
It's on the Discord.
Against player.
Sir Jim. Sir Jim.
Wag. 5 minutes kailangan, 5 minutes.
Kailangan 5 minutes, boy.
Tara na guys. Hindi, hintayin natin.
Go, 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 go!
Don't waste your ammo. Just record.
Move!
Sir, it's now 2 minutes. Almost 3 minutes. Sorry, G. My body cam is now 3 minutes. It's not ma'am. The admin is share. He is admin. Jim, wake up.
Sir Jim. Sir Jim. Wake
Sir
up, sir.
Jim. Ako si Raul. Sir Jim. It's now 4 minutes. 4 minutes. 1 minute only left.
You'll get banned, sir. Sir Jim, you will get banned if you don't wake up. Wakey, wakey. Di ba yan, 3 days, pre. RP13.
Speak English, please.
Sir Jim, wake up. Almost 10 seconds left.
Bibi ko!
Yun ang tawa yan.
Shut the fuck up, Alfego!
Baby, wake up na. Nakahanda na ang breakfast mo, baby ko.